is Broccoli Rob here. I gotta tell you, we went on this cruise over the summer and Teresa kept getting these little, like, lava cakes, and she's been breaking my balls to make them. I've never made these before, but we're gonna try, see what we can do. Simmering water, double boiler. We have chocolate chips. We have, in a double boiler, chocolate chips, heavy cream, butter, confectionery sugar. We're going to whisk all that down so it's nice and smooth. You see it all, again, over simmering water, over hot water. It's called a double boiler. So we're going to get all that done. Alright, we're getting there. Just waiting for the last of the butter to melt. We'll pull it off the heat. Yeah, melt, butter, melt. All right. Step one. Step two. Let's come over here to Mixer World. In here we have 2 whole eggs, 2 egg yolks, a little bit of salt, and pure vanilla extract. We're going to whip this up till we get nice stiff peaks. About 2-3 minutes. Looks like custard. Flour. I'm going to sift that into here. You sift it so there's no lumps. See? That's why you do it. Okay, flour. Our chocolate. Fold that in. All right. We're all mixed in. I think that's good. Ramekins. A little bit of spray. I honestly don't know how many we're going to make. So we'll start with 4 purples. Let me get a ladle. Let's do it that way.
I was going to suggest a ladle.
Let's do it this way. Alright guys, we filled our ramekins. We got a 450 oven for about 10-12 minutes. See you then. Alright guys, molten lava cakes. About 10-12 minutes in the oven. They're gonna be a little runny on the inside. That's what you want. You can invert them onto a plate. You could put powdered sugar on them, whipped cream, ice cream. If you want to do strawberries, you could put that with it. Chocolate sauce, Cool Whip, peanut butter if you really wanted to. You do whatever you want with them. Let's try and invert one real fast here. There you go, baby. You can see it's still very hot. Chocolate molten cake. A little powdered sugar. You can tell it's hot. It's just melting right on there. If you have any mint leaves you want to put on there, knock yourselves out. Little chocolate sauce around, little ice cream, whatever floats your boat. There they are, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. And we'll do more stuff like this for you guys. All right? Enjoy. Have a good day, guys. Bye now.